At-home derma rolling may sound like a scary activity to do on your own, because let's face it, the thought of inserting so many tiny needles into the face is not easy to visualize at all. But trust us, a derma roller will help you achieve positive outcomes and save you tons of bucks on the go. Microneedling or derma rolling on your face will create microscopic wounds, which incites the production of collagen and elastin for keeping your skin youthful and firm. At-home microneedling differs from in-office sessions, as the latter ones usually include electric options and are capable of treating deep acne scars and wrinkles. On the other hand, a manual at-home derma roller will take care of your skin's texture and improve its appearance. Derma rolling is a great option for taking care of skin issues such as acne scars, wrinkles, stretch marks, skin discoloration, and many more. It also aids in better absorption of skincare products, which in turn keeps your skin healthy and beautiful. While choosing a derma roller for at-home use, it is easy to get baffled while picking the right one for you. That is because these tools come with different needle lengths for different skin concerns. However, the FDA-approved needle length is 0.3 mm. The length of these needles may vary depending on what types of issues you're willing to treat, but starting with 0.2 to 0.25 mm needles is the safest option out there, and rollers with such needle length can be used every other day. There are some basic steps to carry out at-home microneedling sessions. First of all, always make sure that your derma roller is disinfected. You can use 70% isopropyl alcohol for disinfecting your derma roller. Secondly, you need to wash your face thoroughly with a cleanser. Gentle exfoliation can also be done after cleansing, and after that, you need to apply 1 or 2 layers of serums that do not contain actives. Next step is derma rolling. You need to roll the tool over your skin vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. On each part, roll the tool 2 to 4 times vertically and 2 to 4 times horizontally, and then move on to the next section. After finishing the rolling session and covering all the areas, use a second layer of serum. The final step is cleaning and disinfecting your derma roller and carrying on with your basic skincare routine. You can use your dishwasher soap for cleaning your roller and then disinfect it again using 70% isopropyl alcohol. Avoid using chemical exfoliants as well as active ingredients on your face after derma rolling. To increase the outcomes of your derma rolling session, you can use a sheet mask or opt for a serum with vitamin C, niacinamide, or hyaluronic acid. Depending on your skin type and procedure, you can see the results within 2 to 6 months of use. You can face some side effects such as irritation and bruising, plus the skin may turn red and minor swelling can take place. Always make sure to choose the right needle length and carry out your sessions depending on the length to avoid any major issues. And that was all you needed to know about at-home microneedling sessions and how to use derma rollers on your face. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.